Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Roku Streaming Stick. First, let's get the physical connections right. Take your Roku Streaming Stick and plug it into an open HDMI port on your television. Next, connect the included USB power cable to the stick and then to a power adapter or a USB port on your TV. Finally, use your TV remote to switch to the correct HDMI input. This ensures your Roku device is properly displayed and ready for the next steps. Now that your Roku is powered on and visible, it's time to connect to the internet. On your TV screen, you'll see a list of available wireless networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from this list. Then, using your Roku remote, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check for accuracy, then confirm the connection. A strong internet connection is crucial for smooth streaming, so ensure you're connected to your preferred network. With your Roku connected to Wi-Fi, the next step is setting up your Roku account. You'll be prompted to either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to link your new device to your account. Roku will then send an activation email to the address you provided. You'll need to open this email on a computer or smartphone to finalize the activation of your streaming stick. Congratulations, your Roku streaming stick is almost ready. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite channels. Navigate to the Roku Channel Store, where you can browse and add hundreds of streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Once added, you can easily customize your home screen by moving channels around to your liking. With everything set up, you are now ready to dive into a world of entertainment and start streaming your favorite content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.